In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Wix website from scratch. Creating your own website can seem daunting, but with Wix, it's a straightforward process that you can navigate even if you're completely new to website building. By the end of this guide, you'll have a professional-looking website that represents you or your business online. We'll start by going to the Wix website. If you haven't already, you'll need to sign up for an account. It's free and simple. Once you're in, you'll see the dashboard. This is your control center where you can manage all aspects of your website. Now, click on Create New Site. Wix will first ask you to choose what kind of website you want to create. Whether it's a blog, an online store, or a portfolio, selecting the type that aligns with your needs helps tailor the features and options Wix will suggest. Pick what suits you best, and let's move on to design. Wix offers two main options for designing your site, Wix ADI and the Wix Editor. Wix ADI uses artificial design intelligence to essentially build your site for you, asking a few questions along the way to personalize it to your tastes. If you want more control, choose the Wix Editor. For this tutorial, we're using the Wix Editor for greater customization. Once you've selected the Wix Editor, you'll choose a template. Wix has hundreds of professionally designed templates across various categories. Don't be afraid to take your time browsing. Remember, this will be the digital face of your brand, so pick something that truly captures your style. Once you've found the perfect template, open it to start customizing. With the Wix Editor open, you can easily replace text, change images, and embed video elements by clicking directly on them. The drag and drop functionality is quite intuitive. For example, to add an image, just drag it onto your page from your computer. You can adjust size and placement with simple click and drag actions. Now let's talk about navigation. The site menu on the left is your gateway to adding new pages and managing your site's flow. Use it to add new sections like a Contact Us page, or to reorganize your existing pages by dragging them to your desired order. Don't forget about mobile optimization. Make sure your site looks great on mobile devices. Wix provides a mobile editor so you can make adjustments that ensure everything looks right on smaller screens. Lastly, once everything looks perfect, it's time to publish your site. Simply click on the Publish button. Wix offers a free domain, but getting your own custom domain can make your site more professional and easier to find. Congratulations, you now know how to create a Wix website from scratch. Test every part of your site to ensure that it works well, especially any contact forms or interactive elements. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy your new website.